call this place home with walls, windows, beds and doors. But for me, home is the room you are in. I know I eat before you. I don't wait for dinner. I roam around alone. And maybe you think that means I'm independent or even a little selfish. But I'm not. I just learned to look strong in a world where I can't say, please stay. But I always know where you are. Because even though I love my space, your presence makes it feel safe. That's where I feel home.